Nancy Messiha, and today I want to talk about a really cool way to transform a fireplace hearth to keep your little ones safe. So if you have one of those fireplaces that have a hearth at the bottom, usually they are, brick, and if a child is playing around there, they could fall, maybe bump their head, that kind of thing. A really cool way is to basically create a covering to cover the hearth made out of padding. And so that's easy to do, and you just kind of pat it around and then you cover it. And I saw this in one of these homes that I was touring, and I loved it so much that I took a video. So I'm going to show you that, but I just wanted to suggest a great idea. So like I said, if you have a fireplace that you have a hearth or stone down at the bottom and you want to protect your child from getting hurt possibly, this is a great way to cover it. So it's just basically a covering that they did with like fabric and some padding, and they had it like specially sewn around the hearth to protect the fireplace, and it's a great way to just kind of add that. So I'm going to attach the video so you guys can see, and I hope everyone is living their fancier.
So this is a cute idea. They covered the hearth with like a padding pillow on the fireplace to protect the kids, because they have small kids, from getting hurt. So it just comes off like this. Super cute idea.